So these are my normal headphones. They're Technics RPDJ1210s with a nice curly cable. They sound fantastic. The only thing is though, I can't really use them for gaming because they haven't got a microphone. So this is where the Sahara Gaming Attachable microphone comes into play. It sticks onto your headphones, so you can have an all-in-one gaming headset. Let's see what's inside the box, and more importantly, see how it sounds. Hi everyone, welcome to IoT Ixis on Tech. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button down below. Thank you very much. And don't forget to hit that bell icon as well if you want to be notified of my next video. So today we have a microphone. This is the Sahara Gaming SD2402 Attachable microphone. Attachable microphone. So this comes in a really nice little hard case. I'll pop that there. Emblazoned with Sahara Gaming. Hopefully you can see that there. I'm checking my little monitor. Sahara Gaming. So this is like a boom microphone that clips onto or sticks onto any headphones. Here we go. Little microphone. It's got a patented design that comes with some replaceable M3 sticky pads. I believe it's a 3 meter long cable. Oh, wow. Might be 3 meter long. 3 meter. Let's have a look. So if you've seen my videos before, you'll know from here to here is 1 meter. So that's one. Okay, my bad. So it comes with a 2 meter cable. I thought it was 3 for some reason. So a 2 meter long cable plus an inline mute switch. So just flick it down. What else do we have in here? Some spares. Wow. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spare sticky pads. You get a spare cup that goes onto your headphone. Another pair of headphones if you've got 2. And they look like 4 rubber cable clips, cable ties sort of thing. Plus, it comes with a little instruction leaflet as well. So this is 3.5mm, so perfect for plugging into either the back of your PC, the top of your PC case, or if you've got a laptop, maybe a mobile phone if you've got a headphone microphone splitter. Same with some laptops, they haven't got them, mobile phone. So what does it sound like? That's the important question. Plus, how do we set it up? Okay, so in this little bag then we have, as I mentioned a few moments ago, you got an alcohol prep pad to clean your headphones with. It's got a little tear here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spare little double-sided sticky pads. You have the base plate that goes onto your headphones. It's quite sticky, and so you actually got five cable tidies there to go around all your cabling, so it makes it look really neat and tidy. So let's move all that out of the way. So these are my RPDJ1210 headphones. Now, yes, RPDJ, because once upon a time, back in the day, I used to be a DJ playing trance, hard house, a bit of hardstyle as well back in the day. So these have been well used. These are probably around about maybe 15, 20 years old. So the cable comes out the one side. As you can see, I've got my little Ixis logo by there, right and left. I like my cable to be on the right hand side and my microphone to be on the right hand side as well, because I work in a call center, so I'm used to wearing a headset all day. So let's get, seems a bit of a waste to open this prep wipe, but hey ho. Tear here. I'm going to, where is it? There it is. Ooh, nice and small. So unravel it before it all evaporates. Let's clean the pad. Leave that to dry a little bit. Right, so that is all dry now. So let's have a look at this. So this, hopefully you can see, is pushes down. It's kind of like a bayonet fitting on it. And the bayonet light bulb, for those of you In the UK, you maybe Europe, you know how a bayonet fitting works. Spring loaded. Yeah. Right, so let's stick this in the middle. Finally, there we go. So I'm just going to stick that right in the middle of my cup, the back of the cup. So push it on, and then you get the boom arm. Now I want it to be upside down, the other way, because the cable's pointing up. So you can actually unscrew this. It's got a little SG on there, hopefully you can see. Watch the spring don't pop out. Oh, there we go. I'm going to turn it around the other way. There you go, cable going down. And then just get your headphones, pop it in. Ta-da! Oh, hopefully you can see. So you do, then you get your headphone, get the microphone, and then just pop it in, twist it, and there we go. Right, let's go to the computer and let's see what it sounds like. So here we are at the PC. So I've connected the microphone to my headphones, the cable. So I'm going to plug this into the microphone, which is, it's not coloured, I believe it's blue, maybe green on the back of your PC, check if you're plugging into your PC. Let's pop on my headphones. There you go. Now I'm kind of like isolated because I can't hear anything. These are really good headphones if you want to get them, by the way. They still make them, I believe. Let's plug that into the headphone port. Let's bring up Audacity. Let's bend my microphone down. One thing I forgot to say as well, this microphone is actually noise cancelling. It goes down to 20 hertz to 20,000 kilohertz. So it's got really wide range of recording frequencies on this. Right, so it's actually the pink socket on the back of your PC. All right, open up Audacity and give you a sound tester. You can hear it a little bit. It's a bi-directional microphone as well, so it records all around. And I'll also do the keyboard test, even though this is a red switch keyboard. Right, so now we're showing microphone. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this is an audio test for the Sahara SD2402 microphone. So currently I have it set at the minimum, the gain is on 0 on Audacity. So what does it sound like? Does it sound good? Let me do the sibilance test, so specifically say 6 specific statistics. Unfortunately I don't have a loop through, so I can't hear what I'm actually saying. I'll take off 1 cup, there we go, so I can hear what I'm saying myself. So this is a noise cancelling microphone, as I mentioned. So let's do a keyboard test. Now I have a mechanical keyboard here. It's a Z88, red switch, RGB, etc. So let me open up a notepad and we'll type something out and see if we can hear it on the microphone. There you go. Did it pick it up? Let's find out. Back in a moment. So just listen back to the microphone. It sounds really good. I wouldn't say it has a great noise cancelling feature on it. You can obviously hear the keyboard me clacking away, but I guess when you're gaming, you're going to be using what, 4 keys, and the mouse. So I don't think it'll matter too much. It's barely picking it up. Yeah, the keyboard, it did pick it up a bit, but this is a mechanical. So if you're doing W was it? ASD spacebar, it does pick it up a little bit, but overall I think the sound quality in this microphone is really good. I would say it maybe equals one of the Miano microphones. So I've got one on display there, or even the Uhuru microphone that I started off with many moons ago. So this is the Sahara Gaming SD2420 gaming microphone that can connect, clip onto, stick onto any microphone that you have. Yeah, banging the microphone. Of course, it's going to make a noise anyway, isn't it? So if you'd like to buy this, hit the link in the video description below. At the moment, on Sahara Gaming's website, it's currently for sale with 10% off at $44.99, which isn't a bad price for a microphone. If you've already got some headphones, you know, whether they be like Bose headphones, for example, or you know, there's so many wireless ones with active noise cancellation on them. I think all you need to do is stick on this little cup, stick on the microphone, plug it into your PC, your laptop, get a Y splitter for your laptop or your phone even. Do conference calls on this thing. Sounds really good. So this has been sent to me by Sahara Gaming. So thank you very much for sending that out to me. I really appreciate this. So if you enjoyed this episode of IoT X's on Tech, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Thanks very much. And if you didn't, hit that thumbs down button twice. Thank you very much. And if you haven't done so already, then please hit that subscribe button down below as well. So this has been the Sahara Gaming clip-on microphone, the SD2420. This has been IoT. I'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks very much for watching. Bye-bye.